Good morning, students. We have started the chapter birds in the previous video session. In this video session, we will continue the same chapter. And for this, we are going to study about feet and different types of feet of birds. Okay, like perching bird's feet, talon's feet, trowel's feet, climbing bird's feet, waved feet, and the last one but not the least, that is wading feet. Wading bird's feet. Okay, so now let's start the brief discussion about feet and the different types. Okay, so what is feet and why they required feet? Birds use their claws to catch the food. You can see here which one is the claws. This part is the claws. Okay, so they use claws to catch the food and to protect themselves and to sit somewhere on the tree, on the branches of tree. Okay, different bird have different types of feet and claws. Okay, what is claws? You can see this is the. Now birds have 2 feet. You can see this is the first one and you can see the second one. Birds have 2 feet. They have 4 toes. They use the toes for walking, for hopping, for picking the things and catching and holding the food. Okay, so different birds have different types of feet. Let's discuss one by one all the types of feet that the birds have. The first type of feet is perching bird feet. For example, you can see parrot, crows, pigeon and sparrow. And one more example you can take like myna. Okay, so crows, myna, sparrow that sit on the trees and wires by gripping the branches or wire. This is called perching. Okay, what is perching? The bird like crow, myna, sparrow, they sit on the tree and wires by gripping the branch. Okay, you can see here how they are sitting on the branches of tree by gripping the branch or wire. That is called perching. Okay, so we are having fingers, so that's like they use the front 3 toes as fingers and the back toe they use like thumb. You can see at the back also one toes, so they use that toe like thumb. Okay, so they have feet that help them to grip thin or thick branches easily. You can see in the picture how they are able to grip the branches of the tree. Okay, they have 4 toes. We have discussed the front face forward are 3. They are having 3 and the 4th one is the backward. Okay, they can move each toe independently. Now let's discuss the next one type of feet, that is talons feet. So flesh eating birds such as eagle, vulture have sharp and curved claws. You can see in the picture which kind of claws they are having. They are having sharp and curved claws, that is called talon. So that is called talon and these help them to catch the prey such as snakes, rats, what they eat. Okay, so that's why they need sharp and hooked claws. Okay, students, as for example, you can see eagle, vulture, owl and hawks. You can see the feet of these animals that are curved and sharp. Okay, the next one is trowel's feet. Trowel's feet means hens, rooster, hen's feet you can see here and rooster feet also you can see here. which kind of feet they are having. Hence, roosters need to scratch ground to take out worms and seeds. Trowels is the tool used for digging. Hence, feet work like trowels when they scratch the mud. Okay, so let's move to the next type of feet, that is climbing birds' feet. Some birds such as woodpecker use their toes to climb the trees. Their feet have 2 toes that points upward and 2 toes that points downward. This helps them to hold the tree while climbing. Okay, see here, you can see how they are holding with the help of this claws. Birds like woodpecker, you can see, this is the example. Woodpecker climb the tree and they need to hold the tree. They have 2 sharp claws that I have discussed. Two claws is on the front and 2 on the backward. Okay, it helps them to hold the tree and balance while they are going from one trunk to the other trunk. Okay, next one is waved feet. Water birds such as ducks, geese have waved feet. Okay, what is the example of waved feet? Duck and geese. Okay, you can see here birds and goose have waved feet. The waved feet act like oars and it helps the bird to swim because they are water bird. Swimming is very, very important for them. So this kind of feet that help them to swim in the water. Okay, so duck, goose have feet with the front toes joined by the skin. Okay, and that's why their feet appears flat. You can see how the flat feet. Let's come to the next one, that is wearing bird feet. The last one is wearing bird's feet. Water birds such as crane, okay, heron, stork. You can see here heron's leg on a stork leg. Okay, so water birds such as cranes, herons, stork have long and thin leg. You can see how thin legs they are having. So they have thin and long leg, long feet. So the spread out toes prevent the birds from the sinking into the mud. These help them to walk through the water in search of food. This movement is called wading. Okay, so herons and stork are wading birds example who can walk in a shallow water. Okay, they have long slender legs, spread out toes, you can see. Okay, and these spread toes help them to walk in water easily while catching the birds. I hope that you have understood the feet or claws and the different types of feet in today's video tutorial. In the next video session we will continue the same chapter. Okay, till then I'm going to give you one worksheet related to today's class. You need to solve and share the answers in my personal window. Okay students, till then take care, bye bye.